Yo, guys, what's up? This is a huge video, very powerful and important. So, Traffic Junky is the biggest platform and advertiser you can advertise with adult sites and make millions of dollars. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do this. This is an account I just created so I can show you guys and train you guys on what to do without having to blur out all my campaigns and everything. Okay, so this account's just for showing you guys exactly what to do. Okay, so as you can see here, when you're going to build a campaign, all you got to do, and most platforms, they're super simple to use. They're not meant to be complicated necessarily. But anyway, they actually made a huge update recently, so this is important to show you guys. Anyway, so you do a new campaign. If you don't have any funds, you add funds. And if you don't have any creatives, you actually add creatives now over here. And this is the main biggest update that I've seen by far. So basically, if you want to do a video banner, do that. If you want to do an overlay logo, do that, whatever that is. I've mainly done static banners, okay? So you're going to want to add banners. But anyway, after you've done that, and all you do, you make the banners the right sizes. You can go to Canva. So Canva is how you make the ads. And it's so simple. I mean, it's 300 by 250 is one of the ad placements you can do. But let me show you guys. You can do different dimensions. Let me show you. And so here we are, the different dimension sizes. Here they are. No results found. So you're gonna have to upload creatives and then they'll tell you, okay? But video banners, blah, 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 in-stream videos. In-stream videos is a big opportunity. Like, no one's up for the challenge to make an in-stream video. It's very interesting. And the ones who do are actually dominating more over there than anything else. But anyway, getting traffic from the static banners is good. And by the way, they can be GIFs, like GIFs, okay, images, and you just upload them, and they grab more attention. And no other banner site like Google Display Ads, they don't let there be GIFs, okay? But anyway, you add there, okay, conversion trackers. You can do conversion trackers. It's kind of cool. Basically, anyone who lands on your site, you can actually retarget across all the other sites. But at the end of the day, I don't see that as super amazing or anything like that. Okay, it just comes down to what's your strategy? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to get conversions? Are you trying to go for brand awareness? I try to go for big brand awareness for whatever I'm promoting. Okay, I do try to, and by the way, the best version of your promotions is owning your own offer. But if you can find a hot offer that's affiliate, okay, where you get a commission for every conversion, you will crush it. Okay, but if you make your own, okay, that's very appealing and sells well and hits on cognitive biases and desire points, of course, and appeal to the masses, you will crush it. This is how I've been able to crush it, and this is how you guys will be able to crush it. But you can still crush it promoting affiliate offers. I will talk about that a lot. Okay. And I do have done few services and stuff. Okay. If anyone's interested in those are where you get the most value by far. Plus, I've got the mentorship and stuff like this. But anyway, to make the campaign, you go to bid. And then helping hand. Okay. So right here, you're going to name it whatever you want. I actually name my stuff kind of like that. And it's funny. I mean, I'll just literally type a bunch of random letters so I get that done. Now I go down here, and you can stay organized, name your campaign names, whatever you want. Okay, that's fine. It doesn't matter. If it is desktop traffic, you want to basically do desktop traffic if you're selling something, like you're trying to collect payment info in exchange for a product. Okay, and if you're doing mobile, then basically that is for lead gen offers. You're just trying to get leads. Now, what really makes money is obviously sales at the end of the day. So I do a lot of desktop, like a lot. But if you're scaling, you can do both. Okay, you can do all. Okay, next thing is the ad formats. Just display, keep it simple. And you can change that based off a lot of things. But dimensions right here. And guys, the one that's most picked is this one. I do a lot of this one. If anyone wants to do anything outside of that, you just go to Canva, you do custom dimensions, or you go to any other way you want to make your images, okay, and ads, and you just make it the right dimensions, and then you upload it. Okay, you upload it over in that one section before. And yeah, you just select whichever one you're doing. So you're doing this one. Campaign schedule, if you want to start the next day, you can actually just schedule it for the next day. Okay, right here in duration. And you say next day, boom, and then end date, no end date. Okay, you can have it just run forever until you pause the campaign. Frequency capping, I never do frequency capping. So this is something kind of interesting. This is a very small market, but you got to understand they do have money. And I learned that from Twan. Okay, if you know who he is. He's kind of one of my mentors in adult in a way. But I mean, I paved the way myself. And by the way, no one talks about adult marketing at all. I mean, it's such an underground, powerful industry for a reason. No one talks about it, but I'm here to tell you guys is powerful. Okay, now you're going to mainly do straight. Okay, straight is a bigger audience and has way more offers by far. If you want to promote, here I'll give you a little angle for this one. You could do skincare if you want. Skincare offers with the right angle with this type of traffic can do well. Uh, Things like that, beauty products and weird stuff like that. Okay, I don't really support that sort of stuff at all, and so I stay away from it. But if you guys want to promote that and try it out, do it. But it's weird. It's too weird for me. That's when it crosses the line for me with all this. Okay, you can literally now target male or female or all. So it's very cool. So you can literally target exact genders. This was updated about a week ago since I made this. Okay, this video right now. Okay, retargeting is kind of cool, but at the end of the day, people will visit again and again, I'm sure, and you will be able to have your banner get in front of them again. Okay, you just got to make sure your campaigns are profitable. The math needs to work out. The conversion rate needs to be high, and the click-through rate needs to be high. And here's how I run my campaigns. I have about 5 or more images that I'm split testing, okay, at a time, until I find the highest click-through rate 2 images, because I don't want to just have one all the time showing people, because you got to have some variation. And then I scale with those 2 images, and then I stop everything if it's not converting, obviously. So everything needs to be converting first. Okay, if it's not profitable the first 3 days, I don't give a crap. And my budget per day, okay, and I'll tell you more about the budget per day in a second, but the budget is determined by whatever the price offer you're doing, guys. So if the price of the offer is $100 payout or something like that, then your budget per day could be $100 to $300 to get enough data and get conversions and see what's happening. Okay, because if people are converting, great. Okay, and remember this. This is a huge pro tip, real quick. When you make your banners, whatever you're promoting, if you're selling something, that's best. You can put the price point in the ad, and so you're only getting people interested for the price, for the everything. You could put the product and everything. Don't try to just get people clicking in based off curiosity. This is something when I first got into it, in advertising, I tried to get people in with just curiosity, but people found out what it was a second later and left. You want people that are like, you're getting so many impressions of your ad that you can get in front of so many people that would be interested in the exact thing. So you need to put the exact thing in front of them that they're interested in. The price point, a quick headline telling them what it is, maybe some benefits or whatever, just short benefits. Then obviously you have to have a call to action button, and then you have an image of what it is they're getting in exchange. And it needs to be such a no-brainer. It's crazy. You will get sales, guys. I mean, it's insane. Next, you target the country. We're going to do Bahamas. But yeah, you literally target the country there. Let's see. Keyword targeting is interesting. I don't do keyword targeting, but this is kind of a way to, if you're doing a very fetish or whatever offer or whatever, which is weird, you can target exact keywords, okay? But it does increase your ad costs, but it's more targeted if you're doing that. You kind of need to do that if you're doing some fetish niche offer. SB targeting, I don't do any of that, any of that, okay? It's basically internet provider and IP stuff. I mean, it doesn't matter. If you're doing something very specific to a literal postal code, like a little small area of the world, then you can do that, okay? But that's when you have to turn off this, okay, and then it's available. Okay, right here, exchange. This is currently available exchanges you can get sources from, which is Traffic Junky X. Okay, positions, where you want your ads to show. Above the fold, blah, 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 anywhere. Okay, you can just leave it at all. But if you want to be so specific, you can say, okay, I want it only in the footer. I want it only in the header. I want it above the fold, below the fold. But if you have it everywhere, that's better, okay? And it's not like it's just going to be everywhere. It gets shown every few times per person for sure. Okay, all browsers. I always do all browsers, but if you're doing like some antivirus software for a specific browser, I can see why that would be a thing for you. But anyway, browser language targeting. Okay, browser language targeting. This is an interesting one. Basically, someone's exact language. I believe that's what it is. I just leave it off. I don't care about that one. Okay, mobile connection targeting, Wi-Fi or carrier. Okay, this can be something very interesting because if someone's on a carrier, they're maybe on the go. If someone's on Wi-Fi, they're maybe at home. Okay, and so I've always left this off, but you can test this. I believe Wi-Fi will always do better. Of course, they're connected to Wi-Fi. They're probably chilling. Now, this is an interesting thing too, the conversion tracker. You can basically have an autopilot conversion tracker in place that can be your own tracker inside Traffic Junky. You don't need volume or any other tracker tool. Now, something people know about me is I don't really use trackers, but if you do use a tracker, that can be powerful. But just remember this. Just remember this. When people use a tracker, they're trying to save micro profits and optimize from there. And I mean that sucks because you're literally only earning small portions. I want to go for things that are 3x to 10x on my money per day. That's what I go for. Okay, and nothing else matters to me because most people, an adult who use a tracker, I've noticed they maximum make 2x, but it's usually way less than that. Okay, on their money, that's very low. Okay, next, like, don't you want to go for 3x to 10x? Yeah, I'm sure you do. Okay, video banners or static. I always do static. You can do video. You can here's the thing. You want to start with static, okay? And then you want to go and scale to multiple platforms and multiple banner placements and ad placements and different types of ads like video when you're ready to scale, okay? Because you know your thing's working, you're ready. You're so ready. Okay, so you need to have an offer that just crushes it, baby. Okay, so this is where you put your link to your offer or whatever. You can do affiliate link, direct link here. You can link to your funnel's domain name, okay? So they go through your funnel and then to an offer. Or it's your own offers that are no-brainers to this traffic or whatever niche you're trying to do. And guys, look at the whole market as a whole. What are people really buying? What are people interested in? What are people making money with? What are people not making money with? Okay, the industry has changed, and I share exactly this stuff inside the adult course, and I will share this stuff for free as well. But I'm telling you, paid information is the best, and this stuff's crazy. Okay, so select creatives. I don't think I have any in this demonstration account. Okay, guys, so here's the thing. Basically, I just made a banner to get approved, but how it works always is they basically approve the banner, so it may take a while to pend. And it's a 300 by 250 banner. And then the thing is, whatever link, I'm just going to do google.com, but it still won't let me go through. So all I wanted to show was, you just set a budget. You just set a budget per day or a total campaign budget. Now, the budget per day, just 250, okay, will take you very far. It will take you very far. It'll basically be able to take over a whole entire placement for a whole day and keep going from there. Like 250 is a great one, but minimum you can do like 25 bucks. Okay, I always do somewhere like 50 to several hundred. Okay, like 100 or even 250 per day with any new campaign I do. So just know that. That's how you set the budget, and you set the budget determined by whatever the offer is and based off your personal budget. If your budget's really high, like you have a lot of money to work with to test and everything, that's great. And just remember, the more money you put in, guys, to test, then the more data you can get back and know what's working for your banners and for the offer. Okay, the offer is the most important at the end of the day. If no one wants the offer, you will not make any money. So finding a great offer will always make you a lot of money. This is the ultimate secret. You could go to any traffic source and crush it. Okay, you could do adult, you could do even social ads, anything like that. But adult is the cheapest with the most volume. So when you find a winner, which is very easy to do, even create a winner yourself, you will crush it. You'll make a lot of money. Okay, then the traffic source, it's whatever at that point. Like you just scale with all of them. Okay, I've done this before. I had a massive winner. Okay, I kept it very on the low key, and I built it inside ClickFunnels, and it's insane. But I've also had campaigns that can crush it, okay, that have crushed it insanely high promoting offers, okay, just affiliate offers. Then I have ones I'm running right now that are my own offers and other offers. And if it's my own offer, I'm not saying that it's on one of these CPA networks. I just have myself, I collect payments myself, I do all that stuff myself. And you can do the same, and it's very powerful, guys. And so to leave you with that, just understand the traffic source is whatever. Traffic Junky is massive though. And for any beginner out there, Traffic Junky is the way to go, for sure. And so if you guys like this video, leave it a like. If you guys want to get inside that Done For You services or any programs to learn more about this and to make big money with this, because you will, then go check out those down below. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, Learning Machine.